Okay, so here we are at 57 Kendlewood Road. Nice landscape front, good driveway. I'm going to go access through the back, so you've got a double glazed porch to the front. Nicely situated, and whilst we're outside, so tool store, garage, I've got the patio area and bin store, and then just a nice tidy landscape garden. Boundaries, established shrubs, fenced boundary, summer house to the rear, greenhouse to the rear. So let's take a look inside. So jumping straight into the kitchen. So it's got a nice outlook onto the rear garden. Plenty of room for your white goods, pantry, and then going to the dining room first. So separate dining area with large patio doors looking out onto the garden, again offering a nice outlook, and then through on into the lounge area. So front windows outlooking the driveway and the full garden, and a good sized lounge area. So I'm going to walk on through, back from the kitchen through into the reception hall, where you've got understairs storage cupboard, your telephone points, door which goes into the front porch, and then stairs leading up to the first floor landing, which is nice and light because you've got a window soaking in all of the light from the side of the property, and then leading into the bathroom, shower above the bath. So moving into bedroom 1 first, we've got quite a bit of built-in storage, dressing table, further wardrobe space, and a good double room. Leading off, we've got the third bedroom, which is an ideal office or nursery. In this bedroom in 3, you've got your loft access, and then you've got further storage above the stairs in a cupboard, and then airing cupboard, housing the Baxi boiler, and then bedroom 2, which again is a good double, ample built-in storage, wardrobes, dressing table, and again to the rear aspect, so you're able to overlook the rear gardens. So, and then back out onto the landing. So 57 Kendlewood Road, Kidderminster, 3-bedroom semi-detached, lots of space, lots of storage, ideally placed for commuting out on the Birmingham side of Kidderminster, close to good local schools. If you wish to view it, have a look at the online viewing first, following the government guidelines, and then give the office a call. We are open despite the national lockdown, so business as usual for the property sector for those who are serious or proceedable buyers, and we can arrange a viewing for you. But if you can watch the video first, like and subscribe. Many thanks.